Miami is a multi-international city that has more entertainment than you could possibly take in. And that's not including people watching on South Beach. From sipping Cuban café con leches in Little Havana to dining in the trendiest celebrity-crawling restaurants, the city of Miami has something for everyone. Think there's no history in this relatively new city? Think again. So grab your bathing suit or your business suit. We're headed to the booming subtropical city of Miami on today's Travel Through History. What do you think of when you think Miami? Latin culture, South Beach, nightlife, the arts, Cuban food? How about all of the above? The Sunshine State has a lot of big cities, but if Florida has a cultural hub, it's so Miami. Miami, in case you're not familiar, is located on Florida's southeastern coast. Its proximity to Latin America has made it the main U.S. gateway for business in Central and South America. It's one of only a few tropical U.S. destinations.
This is the most important subtropical city in the United States. Miami is only 100 plus miles away from major Caribbean destinations. It's only 45 miles away from Bimini in the Bahamas, so we're ideally located. We're looking down on the Caribbean and we're looking east to the Atlantic Ocean. As a matter of fact, Miami is built on three waterways: the Miami River, Biscayne Bay, and the Atlantic Ocean just beyond Biscayne Bay.
The vibe of Miami is very cool, it's trendy, it's hip, it's very fun. There's lots of things to do here. It's a beautiful place.
Today we've traversed an ancient Spanish building that is a peaceful, spiritual jewel in a busy city. We learned about the Cuban Missile Crisis and how the Cold War almost became a hot war. We also discovered the cultural ways of the Miccosukee people. Then we imagined ourselves living in the lap of luxury at the Vizcaya Museum and Gardens. So soak in the sun, the nightlife, the culture, the artwork, and the flavors of Miami. Adios.